So we start this out with hips, and then they have some little snaps. So it starts on a buffalo. It's like, my name is Allie, I think is when this part starts here. So it's step, shuffle, deep switch, clap on 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. They repeat that twice. Okay, what do we do next, ladies? Look around. There's a whole lot of pretty ladies. Then we go into toe heels. What I got before. 1, 2, 3, 4. Brush step, heel, 5, 6, and then turn the front on 7, 8. The word right happens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and they do 2 sugars. 7, 8. What I've been telling them, if they're going to practice, heel forward, inside of their foot, inside of their foot. So it's just more of a twisting kind of step. But it's only 2 sugars on 7, 8, 7, 8. And then they go right into their shuffle ball change, which is a little bit of a weight shift for them. So they have to put that heel down, shuffle,